As you open your eyes, you find yourself floating above your physical body that is lying deep in sleep. On your bed, could this be evidence of a non-physical dimension in the human body? Outer body experiences have fascinated humanity for centuries, becoming a part of folks, beliefs, and mythology of multiple ancient cultures. Ancient Egyptian teaching present the soul as having the ability to hover outside the physical body via the subtle body. In old Indian scriptures, a state of consciousness referred as Turiya can be achieved by deep yogic and meditative activities, during which a yogi may liberate from the duality of mind and body, allowing them intentionally leave the body and then return to it. The body carrying out this journey is called Vigyan Dehi. Native American cultures also believe that you can teach yourself the ability to travel outside the body. Although historically there has not been enough research into outer body experiences, it has attracted a little more serious attention over recent years. According to surveys, around 10% of the population have experienced an OBE at least once, and variety of factors can trigger a spontaneous OBE, though they most commonly occur just before falling asleep or just before waking up. They have been reported during meditation, non-life-threatening accidents, anesthesia, hypnosis, childbirth, when suffocating after being shot, while dancing, or even just talking. Hallucinogenic drugs such as DMT, MDA, LSD, and ketamine can also give rise to induced OBEs. Even extreme exertion has been found to induce outer body experiences. And as we have discussed in our earlier video, most people who come back from a near-death experience recall having an outer body experience. And as another proof of the fact that brains are weird, my lord, I present to you the fact that too little or too much sensory information both can trigger an OBE. But perhaps the most interesting factor would be G-forces. Pilots who fly at high altitude and astronauts often experience traveling outside their body. While encountering extreme G-forces, blood can partially drain from certain part of the brain, which seems to have the power to induce an outer body experience. It is often referred to as gravity-induced loss of consciousness. Many writers and parapsychologists have named this phenomena astral projection. Experiments have been done where participants who claim to be regular projector were told to astral project together, then taken to different rooms to record and compare their stories. And the result were shocking, as most produced similar stories about what they saw. Where did they see the other person go to, etc., etc. But most serious research considered OBE to be nothing more than the product of imagination, a hallucinatory construct relating to the subconscious level of personalities. Some even connected the experience with psychosis and hysteria, while some suggest that the experience is caused from temporary minor brain malfunction. All in all, definitely not the person's spirit actually leaving the body. So does this mean that astral projection is just another kind of a lucid dream? By the way, if you don't know about or want to know more about lucid dreaming, be sure to check out our video on it. Probably, but is there a third explanation? As we know, the great psychologist Carl Jung had theorized that all of humanity shares one single unconscious mind. If that is true, it would mean that while you are not traveling outside your mind, the experience is not a hallucination. It is reality in the dimension of time and space. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any feedback, please let us know in the comment section below. And do not forget to share and subscribe.